उड़ो ऊंचा।
Do you remember the sound of the letter B? That's right, B. B. Look at these pictures. Which picture begins with the sound B? A cake, a biscuit, a house. Cake, biscuit, house. Yes, biscuit. Now, let's look at some more pictures. Baby, kite, brush. Bravo! You are a star student. Now, listen carefully and observe which picture has the middle sound B. Pancake, table, sleep. Good job! Now, choose the letter B from these letters. Brilliant!
Like, share and subscribe.